Hello, AP Stats students. This is Mr. Lang, and here's your weekly AP Statistics update for the week of September 21st through the 25th. Starting our second week together, very exciting. Topics for the week: on Monday, you're going to be working on shape and center, and on Tuesday, you're going to be working on spread. Those are things that we use to describe graphs or distributions. Thursday, we're going to be working on outliers and box plots, which hopefully box plots are a review, outliers will be something new. And then Friday, we're going to talk about comparing distributions, and we're going to have our first quiz, which you'll have assigned to you over the weekend, okay? And we'd like it done by the 28th at 11:59, okay? So you have the weekend to do it, and we'll talk about that more in a later slide. So, if you have periods 1, 3, or 5, we have a sync class meeting on Monday and a sync class meeting on Thursday, and then quiz number 1 on Friday, okay? So remember, that'll be homework that's you're going to do over the weekend, and get that taken, okay? And if you have 2, 4, 6 for stats, then your meetings are Tuesday and Friday. We will be going over, in the meeting on Friday, we're going to go over how to do outliers, which is important because it is on the quiz over the weekend. So that'll be a topic that we want to talk about together, okay? Homework tips: remember, each time it starts the video, redo the questions as many times as necessary before the due date for full credit. The due date is the day of our first test, which will be the day before MEA break, okay? If you're stuck, remember to watch the video attached to each question. You can contact your base group or you can email your teacher, okay? And remember, homework gets uploaded every night while you're sleeping into Infinite Campus. But that doesn't mean you can't keep working on stuff until the final due date, okay? You can keep, you have as many attempts as you need until you get it 100% right, as long as you get it done before that summative test. Quiz tips for Friday. We'll go over these again in your meetings, but you must complete in one sitting, okay? They're 60 minutes and they're timed, and when you're ready to start, you'll just type the password in, which is ready. And all that will be explained to you when you open up the quiz. But you have to do it in one sitting. So if you started and work on it for 20 minutes and then have to stop, you're just done. There's no more attempt, okay? So you gotta stay there the whole hour or until you're finished. You get 2 attempts per question with a 10% penalty per try. So if you get it wrong the first time, try again. Remember, this goes in your summative category, which is the 80% of your grade category. Follow any rounding instructions. So like on a question, it might say round to the 10th place. Then you should do that, okay? Like, be careful with rounding. You can use the resources to open the notes for Unit 1. Remember, you'll see this screen when you start the quiz. And if you click on this icon, it'll open up the notes in another tab. And we don't mind if you look at those during the quiz. It will be the entire notes for the entire chapter. So up to this point, it's 28 pages long. So don't rely on the notes, like you should know how to do it. The note should be like, oh, I just forgot something, I want to look it up quick, okay? But you can open that up and use that. Quiz will be open Friday at 3 p.m. and it will close Monday at 11:59. So you have Friday night, all day Saturday, all day Sunday, and basically all day Monday to take it. So at any point in there, you can take it, okay? If you have any questions about that, please let us know. Otherwise, have a great week, and we'll talk to you later.